We are pleased to show you the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, hill descent control, roof rails, remote keyless entry, trailering package, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, remote vehicle start, cruise control, power outlet. Come see the car for yourself.